got? I got Suzie's bubbles. So let's see what's inside. First, we have the candy. Thank you for the candy. Then we have the product. So I've been holding off buying anything other than maybe Lush recently because, you know, times are tough right now with my business on shutdown. But this lady was having a 30% off sale if you buy $30 or more. And so I had to indulge. So let's see what we have in here. So this is what I have. I have the Jeffree Star Vibes Bubble Bath Bomb with embeds. And I think this is Bubble. I do love her bubble bar type things. So then I also ordered Bubble Chunk. Ooh, Frankenberry cereal, scented. And then this Bubble Bath Brittle. What's it called? It's called Bubble Brittle. Lemon and watermelon scented. Because I had just run out of bubbles and my order from Lush was not due in for a while, although it actually came in yesterday. And then I ordered the Hey Mickey. This is scented in sweet strawberry, and I've just been looking for some sweet strawberry recently. I don't know if this is a bubble bomb or just a regular bomb. So she has some that actually create bubbles. See, this one says Bubble Bath Bomb. This is the medium pinwheel, vanilla bourbon and jasmine. And that's all that I ordered. And she kindly sent me Plants That Kill Kitties bath bomb. And then this one is a bubble bath bomb called Boom Clap. So again, I have the Bubble Brittle. I have the Jeffree Star Vibes, very pretty and vibrant. I have the Hey Mickey. I really just, oh no, actually on the invoice it does say Bubble Bath Bomb. I've had some bath bombs from her that weren't bubble, and I found out by actually using it before. And then this one is Plants That Kill Kitties. This is the medium pinwheel, which is also a bubble bath bomb. Did I say this one already? Bubble Chunk. And then lastly, the Boom Clap. I can see the embeds in this one. All right, guys, that's it for Suzie's Bubbles, and I will talk to you guys on the next one.